Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Iskandar bin Mazunin. So today I'm going to interview one of my friends about my topic here, which is 3D bioprinting in cancer therapy. So basically 3D bioprinting is like a special type of 3D printing. By instead of printing plastic, it prints living cells to create tissue structure. In cancer research, scientists use this technology to create artificial tumor models. Here's how it works in a simple way. First, doctors take scans like CT or MRI to understand the tumor shape. Then they prepare something called Bioin, which contains living cells and materials. After that, a bioprinter prints the tumor layer by layer. Finally, the printed tissue is grown and tested in the lab. So instead of testing drugs directly on patients, scientists can test them on these printed tumors. This technology has a few important benefits, which is it helps create personalized treatment, meaning drugs can be tested based on a specific patient's cancer. It improves drug testing accuracy because the tumor model is more realistic. It reduces the need for animal testing. And last but not least, it also helps researchers better understand how cancer grows and spreads. There's still some challenge. It is expensive, requires expert skills, and it's difficult to fully copy real human tumors, especially things like blood vessels. So that's a quick overview. Now we'd like to hear our thoughts. So for the first question, what do you think about this technology after hearing the explanation?
Well, after I heard your explanation, so I think that this technology is very innovative, so and will be useful for future researcher to use in case of study about this tumor treatment. So yes, that will be useful and very innovative.
Okay, thanks for the first question. So for the next question, it's more about relatability. Do you think this could impact your daily life or future in any way?
Well, I think that this issue is very important for our daily life. So, so it can be more accurate for our future healthcare for our next generation.
That's true. And for the third question, will trust a treatment that was tested on 3D printed tumor instead of a real human or animal, and why?
For this, I will trust it, but I will trust it partially because I believe that there will be more to be studied for this matter, and but I will trust it partially. So for that, because it provides more safe testing model.
Oh, I see. So basically, from your field of study, can you see any possible use or connection with this kind of technology?
What I see that this technology is very connected with with the engineering, so highly with engineering. So because it related with 3D printing, and so it had to improve accuracy and effectiveness for the treatment and the healthcare for the future.
Understood. Okay, that's all for the questions. Thank you for your answer. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you guys.